Hello students, this is Session Sahu. So today we are going to solve JEE Advanced 2026 questions and which is question number 4 from paper 2, and this question is from the definite integration chapter. So the question is find integration of 0 to 2 to the function 1 by 3 to the power x plus 3, and options are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, log 3 base e by 3, log 3 base e by 2. So how to solve? Whenever you are saying any function to whom we integrate and it is in the form of dx by either e to the power x plus minus some function c, or e to the power x divided by a to the power x plus minus some constant or maybe some function. Okay, a to the power x is any exponential function and a is any real number, obviously not is equal to 0. So in all the cases the solution is same way we have to proceed. Okay, what the target is, somehow we need to remove this exponential function from the denominator. After that we can integrate by using various formulas or various technique. Okay, so my target is somehow we need to remove 3 to the power x in the denominator. So the question is integration of 0 to 2 dx by 3 to the power x plus 3, correct? So the target is remove 3 to the power x. For that what I need to do, multiply 3 to the power minus x in the both side, numerator and the denominator. If I multiply 3 to the power minus x in the denominator, so what it should happen, 3 to the power minus x into 3 to the power x become 1, this become 3 into 3 to the power minus x. Here dx is there. Why I do that you will understood after solving. Okay, here like another method is there, you can multiply 3 to the power x in the numerator and the denominator. The target is somehow if I take 3 to the power x is equal to t, then derivative 3 to the power x become 3 to the power x ln 3, right? That, and if you are differentiating you need 3 to the power x in the numerator, right? Similarly, if I take here 3 to the minus x is equal to t, 3 to the minus x already in there in the numerator, right? That's the reason we multiply. Either multiply 3 to the power plus x or 3 to the minus x. We are multiplying 3 to the power minus x. Now the step is let 3 to the power minus x is equal to t. So if 3 to the minus x is equal to t, this implies the derivative of this become 3 to the minus x ln 3, and derivative minus x become minus 1, this become dx is equal to dt. This implies 3 to the power minus x dx is equal to minus 1 by ln 3 dt. Okay, this we need to substitute. Now since we use the method of substitution and it is definite integration, so the limit of the integration need to change. So as x tends to 0, t tends to 3 to the power minus 0. 3 to the power minus 0 become 1 by 3 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0 become 1. So it should be 1 by 1 become 1. Similarly, yes, as x tends to 2, t tends to 3 to the power minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2 become 1 by 3 to the power 2. That is 1 by 9. So this is the substitution we did. After that our integration become integration of 1 to 1 by 9, 3 to the power minus x dx become minus 1 by ln 3 dt divided by 1 plus 3, 3 to the power minus x become t. Here clearly minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by ln 3 is a constant quantity, so I can take outside of the integration. So minus 1 by ln 3 integration of from 1 to 1 by 9 dt by 1 plus 30. Now we know if I take integration of this term 1 by 1 plus 30, it is a linear function, so it is come with a logarithm, but due to this 30 term, we will get 1 by 3 in the outside. Otherwise, you can again substitute, let 1 plus 30 become v, then after doing the derivative, we will get dv is equal to 1 by dt is equal to 1 by 3 dv. So without doing that, we are directly doing. So this we got minus 1 by ln 3 due to 31 by 3 came outside, remaining become ln 1 plus 30, and the limit is from 1 to 1 by 9. So this become minus 1 by 3 ln 3. Then if I solve this get ln upper limit minus lower limit. So ln 1 plus 3 into 1 by 9. So it become 1 by 3 minus ln 1 plus 3 into 1. So 1 plus 3 become 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3 ln 3. So this we got ln, let me take LCM, 1 plus 1 by 3, 3 is going, then 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 minus ln 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3 ln 3. We know a property. What is that property? We know a property ln m plus ln n is nothing but ln mn. We can take log of with any base also, okay, but here we need ln only, right? Similarly, ln m minus ln n is equal to ln m by n. So here we have the minus sign, this we have minus sign, ln m, this become m, this become n. So what we got, this is nothing but ln m 4 by 3 divided by n 4. This is the inside the logarithm. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 3 ln 3. This is become ln. Here 4 got cancel. So we got ln 1 by 3. ln 1 by 3. So ln 1 by 3 I can write is equal to minus 1 by 3 ln 3. This is nothing but ln 1 minus ln 3. ln 1 is 0 and we will get minus ln 3 minus ln 3. ln 3 got cancel, and minus 1 by 3 into minus 1. So it should be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the correct answer. So if we check the question 1 by 3, that means option B is the correct answer. So B is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. For remaining JEE Advanced question, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.